Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC security and privacy settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to disable location tracking on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here and make sure you go ahead and click on your startup menu. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings. And the next thing you want to do right here is to come down below right here, click on privacy and security. Then here you go, scroll down right here, continue to scroll down until you get to location, click on location, then here you go. Then here you have location service, which is on. When this is on, location will be available to Windows, and anyone using this device can choose whether apps can access their location. And with that, if you want to stop Windows from tracking your location or having access to your location, go ahead and make sure you turn off this. And it's that simple. Turning off location service. This will turn off location service for anyone using this device. Find My Device and automatic time zone will be unavailable. Apps and service may no longer be available to request location or to find nearby service. Go ahead and click on turn off. And it's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about Windows privacy and security settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.